Hello! Have you met ARCUBE's augmented reality application? Thanks to the ARTIAS application that you can download to your mobile device, you can easily install your ARCUBE. Select, Scan, Place. The entire installation step is on the digital screen. This is much easier than any method ever. Easier than this. Easier than that. Even easier than this. With ARTIAS, you can easily install and maintain ARCUBE. Find solutions for error codes accompanied by animation. Download updated versions. Activate. Share by WhatsApp and email. Thanks to offline feature, use it exactly where you are. At ARCUBE, we make life easier for whom dream of better. ARTIAS, future of your lift.